What is the purpose of a home inspection contingency? To allow the buyer to cancel the contract if the inspection reveals significant defects. What does the term depreciation mean in real estate? A decrease in the value of a property over time. What is a closing statement? A final accounting of all costs and fees associated with the loan and closing process. What does the term assessed value refer to in real estate? The value of a property for tax purposes. What is a counteroffer in a real estate transaction? An offer made by the seller after receiving a buyer's offer. What does the term due diligence refer to in real estate? The investigation and inspection period a buyer has to assess the property before finalizing the purchase.